Welcome back. Good. In the last chapter, we talked about the mouse. The mouse got into the basket, got out of the basket, got onto the table, and got off the table. Now we're going to change the verb. We are going to use these two verbs, take and put. Okay? So, put something in this direction. Take something in this direction. Okay? Good, that's easy. But we have to combine it with our prepositions. Okay, so let's start. The washing machine. The washing machine, the cycle has finished. We open the door and we... Okay, we... Do you know the answer? Remember to stop the video if you need some more time. The answer is take out. Take out. Okay? But let's say now we are going to begin a new cycle with the washing machine. What do we do with the hat? The hat this time we do not take. We do not take, we put. Okay? And the answer is put in. We put the hat in. Again, it is possible to say take out the shorts, put in the hat. This is possible, but I prefer personally, and it is more common, to put the object in the middle. That's to say, take the shorts out of the washing machine, put the hat into the washing machine. Again, as we mentioned before, it is possible to say put the hat in the washing machine. It's more correct to say into the washing machine. Good. Let's carry on. Let's take the cheese. Okay? And now we are going to... this would be the same as the hat. This would be the answer. Put in. But let's say we don't want to put the cheese in the fridge because we are going to eat it later. But let's put the cheese here, for example, or maybe for some reason here. Okay? In this case, what would the answer be? The answer is put, because we are using this gesture, not this. But instead of put in, now the answer is put on. We are putting the cheese onto the fridge, or we are putting the cheese onto the washing machine, or we are putting the cheese onto the cupboard, the wardrobe, sorry. There is a wardrobe in the kitchen. Good. But let's say this plane, okay? The plane is on the bookshelf, is on the bookcase. So what do we do? What do we do? Now it is not put. Now it is take. But what is the preposition? Let's have a look. Your first option, I'm going to try to guess. I think many of you would have chosen down, take down. We will see take down later, but it's not the best answer. Why not? Because the plane is on something. And we spoke about this earlier. If the plane is on something, the opposite is the opposite of on. The opposite of on is off. So it would be better to say that you take the plane off the bookcase. You put the plane, take the plane off the bookcase. Okay? Good. And then the book you put on the bookcase. Good. This is the same with clothes. An apron. This is an apron. With clothes, we talk about put the apron on the man, and when he has finished cooking, we say we take the apron off. Put on, take off. Okay, and finally, the last question. You are thirsty. What do you do? What do you do? Good. The answer is you take out, because the can is in the fridge, you take the can out and you put the can on the table. Good. It starts getting complicated because we have to think of different verbs and different prepositions and begin to combine. But I hope that you can see the logic. There is a definite logic behind all of this. And secondary, not as important, but also if you can remember to put the object between the verb and the preposition. To take the Coke out. To put the shorts in the basket. To take the book off the bookcase. To put the plane on the bookcase. And to put the object in the middle. Good. In the next example, we will go one step further, but carrying on with the basic theme. One verb, one preposition. What you do and in which direction. I'll see you there.